channel. Today I'm going to be doing the iPhone 11 unboxing. I've been waiting for this for forever, so I'm super excited to unbox it today. So let's just get to it. It came in the mail about 6 minutes ago. So here we go. So heavy. Okay, it's finally here. Let's get into it. One of my favorite parts about the Apple products is the packaging. It's white. I haven't had a white iPhone in years. So use this little pull tab. So one of the main features about the iPhone 11 is the extra wide camera that comes with it, so I'm super excited to try that out. The 11 Pro has an extra telephoto lens, but I didn't feel like I needed that, so I just stuck with the 11. And moment of truth. It feels nice. It feels like way heavier than the phone that I have now. I had the 8 Plus for a really long time and I liked it, but it's time to upgrade. They moved the Apple logo to the middle, so that's something that I really like. Kind of adds like some symmetry to the whole phone. So let's see what else is in the box. So we have this designed by Apple in California tab. Ah, the stickers. I do love this set of stickers. I think I have way too many of those. We have a little thing to get your SIM card out. Some instructions. The infamous 5-watt power brick. Some AirPods. And last but not least, the power cable. So there you guys have the latest unboxing of the iPhone 11. Kept it short and sweet just so you could see what it was like opening up the box. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the latest iPhone and if y'all actually like the raised bezel, stuff like that. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye guys.